Many people question how important is a detail of a mitzvah. And we find by the Parah Aduma, by the red heifer, that it had to be completely red. In order for this cow to be slaughtered and burnt and bring purification to a person, it was not permitted to have more than one hair that was not the color of red. If there were 2 black hairs or 2 white hairs, that cow is now disqualified for being used as a Parah Aduma. And while much attention is paid to the whole idea of purification that's brought about through this red heifer, Torah classifies it as a chukah, a statute, because we really can't understand how it is that you come in contact with a dead body, you become impure, and then take some ashes from a red heifer, and all of a sudden it purifies you. But along with that idea that it's a statute, also comes the idea that every single detail matters. And there's so much in the process of preparing these ashes. And we have to know that every detail counts. You have a cow that has so many hairs. I don't know how much, maybe hundreds for sure, maybe even thousands. And yet if 1 hair or 2 hairs are not red, it disqualifies. Why? Who cares? Every detail of a mitzvah is important. And if one of the details are missing, it doesn't work. It's not going to have its effect. It's not going to accomplish what it has to accomplish. So we read the portion of Parah Aduma, and we're reminded of the purification process. And although we don't understand it, it's done anyways, and we believe it in anyways. Every detail of that is important as well. And every detail of that animal, what it looks like and what it did and what it didn't do, makes it or breaks it. May God bless us that we do what we have to do and not try to cut corners. Because sometimes when you cut corner, you didn't only cut the corner, but you actually cut the whole thing apart. And you destroyed everything that you accomplished. May that never happen to us. May we all be the recipients of God's infinite blessing, beyond our understanding, beyond our comprehension. May God bless us to speedily see the return of all the hostages and the safety of every single one of the Tzahal in our promised land. And may it bring about the coming of Mashiach. Shabbat Shalom to you all.